Hello everyone, welcome to this course on artificial intelligence for everyone. I hope you are excited because today we are going to discuss one of the most exciting technologies of the 21st century, artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. But before we start, I have a small challenge for you. Don't answer immediately. Jaldi answer mat dijiye. Take your time. Here is the question. How many times have you used artificial intelligence today? Think carefully. Maybe 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, or perhaps you are thinking, sir, I haven't used AI today, right? But here is the surprising part. और यही से AI का मैजिक शुरू होता है. You have probably used artificial intelligence many times today without even realizing it. Yes, surprised? Let's see. Let's start your day again. Imagine your day from the moment you wake up. Your alarm rings, you wake up, right? You unlock your smartphone using face lock. Have you ever wondered how did your phone recognize that it was you? Yes, that is artificial intelligence. That is AI. Now, you open Google Maps before leaving home. It tells you heavy traffic ahead, take another route, you will save 10 minutes. How did Google Maps know that? Thousands of vehicles are moving across the city, right? Yet within seconds, it predicts traffic. That is also artificial intelligence. Yes, that is also AI. Now, while traveling, you open YouTube, it immediately recommends videos you actually like. You didn't search, you didn't ask even. Still, YouTube somehow understands your interest. Again, this is artificial intelligence. Yes, this is AI. Now, you open your Gmail. Notice something interesting. Thousands of spam emails never even reach your inbox. They automatically go into the spam folder that you can see. Who decided that? Yes, artificial intelligence decided that. Now, later you ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini tool, explain Newton's laws. Within seconds, you receive a complete explanation. Again, this is artificial intelligence. At night, Netflix recommends you next movie. Spotify recommends songs. Amazon recommends products. Instagram recommends reels. Even your camera automatically improves your photos. Now tell me, how many AI systems did you actually use today? Probably 10, 15, 20, maybe even more. Believe me, शायद आपने AI को use भी किया और notice भी नहीं किया, right? And that's the beauty of AI. It has quietly become a part of our daily life. Yes, without making much noise, AI is already working behind the scenes. Now, the question is, why should everyone learn AI? Many students think AI is only for computer engineers. Is that true? Absolutely not. Today, doctors use AI, teachers use AI, lawyers use AI, farmers use AI, business professionals use AI, scientists use AI, architects use AI, even artists and musicians use AI. In fact, you are watching this lecture, AI is already becoming a part of your future career. इसीलिए इस कोर्स का नाम है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस फॉर एवरीवन, not for computer engineers, not for IT students, but for everyone. Right now, what we are going to learn today. Hope you are excited, right? But the end of today's lecture, you will able to answer 4 simple questions. What is intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? Why do we need artificial intelligence? Where do we use artificial intelligence? If you can confidently answer these 4 questions, congratulations, your foundation of AI will become very strong. So let's begin with the simplest question. What is intelligence? Before understanding artificial intelligence, we first need to understand one simple word, intelligence. What makes humans intelligent? आखिर इंसान इंटेलिजेंट क्यों कहलाता है? Take a moment and think. Is intelligence only about scoring 100 marks? No. Is intelligence only about remembering facts? Again, no. Suppose I ask you, what is 17 multiplied by 19? Maybe you will calculate it. But if I ask, your friend is feeling sad, what should you do? There is no formula. There is no calculator. You think you understand the situation. You decide what is right, that is also intelligence. So intelligence is much more than memorizing information. An intelligent person can learn from experience, understand situations, solve problems, make decisions, recognize faces, understand language, adapt to new situations. All these abilities together make humans इंटेलिजेंट. सिंपल वर्ड्स में इंटेलिजेंस सिर्फ नॉलेज नहीं होता, नॉलेज को सही जगह यूज करना ही असली इंटेलिजेंस है. Hope all of you are clear with this, right? Let's understand this with a story. Imagine a small child learning to ride a bicycle. हर किसी ने बचपन में साइकिल चलाना सीखा होगा, right? या किसी को सीखते हुए देखा होगा. On day 1, the child sits on the bicycle. Within 5 seconds, falls. Day 2, falls again. Day 3, falls again. Now imagine something funny. Every evening, the child goes to home and says, Papa, आज मैं फिर गिर गया. But something interesting happens. The child does not give up. Every day, the child learns something new, how to balance, how to brake, how to turn. Slowly, these mistakes become fewer. Confidence increases. Finally, after a few days, the child rides the bicycle smoothly. Now let me ask you a question. Taught the child? Did someone install new software inside the child's brain? No. Did someone download an app? No. The child simply learned from experience. That is intelligence. Remember this sentence. Intelligence is the ability to learn from experience and improve over time. I am repeating. Intelligence is the ability to learn from experience and improve over time. This is one of the most important ideas you will learn today. Let's take another example. Suppose I show you a picture of a dog. Immediately you say, it's a dog. How did you know? Did someone tell the answer in your ear? No. When you were a child, your parents probably pointed a dog and said, this is a dog. You show many dogs over the years. Slowly, your brain learned the pattern. Now, whenever you see another dog, you recognize it instantly. That ability to learn, remember, and recognize is called intelligence. Our brain is amazing learning machine. Please remember this. Now, think about this. If humans can learn, can machines also learn? Can a computer recognize faces? Can it understand speech? Can it answer questions? Can it translate languages? Can it drive a car? Can it beat the world chess champion? 20 or 30 years ago, many people would have answered, it is impossible. But today, all these things are already happening, right? Because of this simple question gave the birth to one of the greatest technologies ever created, the artificial intelligence. Okay, now you can consider this as our part 2 of this lecture. So now let's discuss, can machines become intelligent? Also, we are going to discuss what is artificial intelligence. So this is our question. Can machines become intelligent? Let's continue from where we left. We now know that humans become intelligent because they learn from experience. Now the next question is, can machines also become intelligent? क्या machines भी सीख सकती है? Take a moment and think. Years ago, if someone had asked this question, most people would probably have laughed. They would have said, a machine is just a machine. It can only do what we tell it to do. Right? And actually, they were right. At this time, traditional computers simply followed instructions given by programmers, static instructions. Right? If you told them exactly what to do, they would do it. If you forget to give an instruction, the computer would not know what to do. For example, imagine you have a calculator. You enter 25 plus 30. It immediately gives the answer. Now suppose you ask the calculator, which movie should I watch tonight? What happens? Nothing. Why? Because a calculator is designed only for calculations. It cannot understand your question. It cannot think. It cannot learn. It simply follows predefined instructions. So इसीलिए हम calculator को artificial intelligence नहीं कह सकते, right? Because it simply follows predefined instructions. Now let's compare humans with traditional computers. Imagine you are teaching a small child. You show the child a picture of a cat, then another. Slowly the child learns. After some time, even if the child sees a new cat, he or she immediately recognizes it. Now imagine a traditional computer. Can it do the same automatically? No, that is not possible. Someone has to tell it exactly what features define a cat. For example, it has 2 ears, 4 legs, a tail, and whiskers. Even then, if something changes, maybe the cat is sleeping or only half the face is visible, the computer may become confused. Traditional computers depend on fixed rules. So please remember, humans learn from experience. That is the biggest difference. Let's move on. So the world started changing, right? As technology improved, computers become faster. The internet generated huge amounts of data. Powerful processors became available. Scientists started asking an interesting questions. Instead of writing thousands of rules, why don't we teach computers the way humans learn? So हम हर सिचुएशन के रूल्स लिखने की बजाय मशीन को एग्जाम्पल से क्यों ना सिखाए? That is the question. This simple idea completely changed the world. Instead of programming every rule, we started giving computers large amounts of data. Gradually, they learned patterns. They improved with experience. Here, experience is what? Data. They became smarter, and this gave birth to the artificial intelligence. Now, let's start with what is artificial intelligence. Now, let's understand the term itself. Sometimes students think artificial intelligence is a very complicated topic. Actually, the name itself explains everything. So now let's break it into two simple words. So the first word is artificial. What does artificial mean? It simply means made by humans. Let's look at some examples. Artificial flowers, but they look like real flowers. Artificial leather, it looks like natural leather, but it is manufactured. Now artificial diamonds, again made by humans. Similarly, artificial intelligence means intelligence created by humans. Simple, isn't it? Right? Intelligence created by humans, by us. Now let's understand meaning of intelligence. Now let's look at the second word of artificial intelligence. We already discussed this, right? Intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, reason, solve problems, and make decisions. Now combine both words, artificial plus intelligence. It simply means human-made intelligence. I am repeating, artificial plus intelligence is equal to human-made intelligence. That's all. Now we are ready for the formal definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that normally required human intelligence. Let's read that again carefully. Artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that normally required human intelligence. Notice something important. It says perform tasks requiring human intelligence. It does not say machines become humans. It does not say machines have emotions. It does not say machine have consciousness. This is a very common misunderstanding. Please remember this, right? AI does not mean human brain inside a computer. Many people imagine AI like the robots shown in movies, talking like humans, feeling emotions, thinking independently. Movies make AI look exciting. That's okay. But today's AI is very different. Today's AI is designed to perform specific intelligent tasks. For example, face recognition, language translation, speech recognition, image classification, medical diagnosis assistance, recommendation systems. These tasks require intelligence. but AI is performing only those tasks for which it has been trained, right? इसीलिए AI को human brain समझना गलत है, right? Please remember this. It is an intelligent system, not a human being. Now, before we move ahead, let's test our understanding. I will give you a few examples. You have to tell me whether AI is working here or not. Ready? Your phone unlocks using face unlock. AI or not AI? Yes, AI recognizes your face. Let's take another example. Google Maps tells you heavy traffic ahead. AI or not AI? Yes, here is AI. Next, Netflix recommends a movie you actually enjoy. AI or not AI? Obviously AI here, right? Amazon recommends products. AI or not AI? Obviously AI, yes. Next, Gmail automatically moves some of the emails into the spam folder. AI or not AI? Obviously AI, yes, right? Next, you ask ChatGPT explain Newton's laws. Within seconds, you receive a complete explanation. AI or not AI? Absolutely AI, right? Next, a simple calculator performs 20 into 50. AI or not AI? No. Why? Because it simply follows predefined instructions. It does not learn, it does not understand, it only performs calculations. That's all. Clear? Let's move on. AI is already around us. Sometimes people think AI is the technology of the future. Actually, no. AI is already part of your present. Every single day, whether you realize it or not, AI is working quietly in the background. When Google completes your search query, AI is working. When YouTube recommends videos, AI is working. When Instagram suggests reels, AI is working. When your bank detects suspicious transactions, AI is working. When your smartphone improves the quality of your photos, AI is working. When online shopping websites recommend products, AI is working. AI has become an invisible assistant in our daily lives. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि हमें अक्सर उसका पता ही नहीं चलता. Right? Think about this. Imagine living without Google Maps, without face unlock, without YouTube recommendations, without spam filtering, without online recommendations. Life would become still possible, right? But many everyday tasks would become slower and less convenient. That's why artificial intelligence is become so important. It helps us to save lots of time. It also improves accuracy and make better decisions, right? Now let's move on. Now we have very important question. How does artificial intelligence learn? And another question is, does AI think exactly like humans? The answer is not exactly. AI does not learn the way humans do. Let's understand with a very simple example. Imagine a student preparing for an exam. Suppose tomorrow is your examination. What will you do? You will read books, watch lectures, solve previous papers, practice numerical problems. The more you study, the better you perform in the exam. Correct? AI learns in a very similar way. Instead of reading books, AI studies data, lots and lots of data, thousands, millions, sometimes even billions of examples. The more useful and high quality data AI receives, the better it becomes. In simple language, we can say humans learn from experience, AI learns from data. This is the one of the most important difference you should always remember, right? Humans learn from experience, AI learns from data. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose we want to teach AI to recognize cats. Can we simply tell the computer, whenever you see a cat, recognize it? No, the computer does not understand what a cat looks like. Instead, we show the computer one picture of a cat, then another, thousands of pictures, and sometimes even millions of pictures. Gradually, AI starts identifying common patterns. It notices the shape of the face, the ears, the eyes, the body, the tail, and many other features. After learning from enough examples, if you show it a completely new cat, it can recognize it correctly, exactly the way a child learns from seeing many examples. Amazing, isn't it? Right? Now, another question. Does AI know everything? This is another interesting question, right? If AI has learned from so much data, does that mean it knows everything? No, not at all. AI can make mistakes. Sometimes it gives wrong answers. Sometimes it misunderstands a question. Sometimes it becomes overconfident. That's why AI should always be used carefully. कभी भी AI के आंसर को blindly trust मत कीजिए, right? Always verify important information, especially in medicine, law, finance, and research. Remember, AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for human judgment. Let's move on. The main question. Why do we need artificial intelligence? Now let's answer another important question. Why do we need AI? After all, humans are already intelligent. So why build intelligent machines? Let's understand. Imagine you are a doctor. Every day, your hospital receives 5,000 X-ray images. Can one doctor examine all of them within a few minutes? Impossible. But AI can analyze thousands of machine images very quickly. It can highlight suspicious cases as well. The doctor then examines those cases carefully and makes the final decision. Notice something important? AI did not replace the doctor. It simply helped the doctor. Let's take another example. Imagine Google Maps. Millions of vehicles are moving on roads. Can one person calculate traffic for an entire city? Impossible. But AI analyzes the data from thousands of vehicles in real time. Within seconds, it predicts traffic, suggests better routes, saves your time. Again, AI is helping humans. Let's take one more example. Think about a farmer. Sometimes it is difficult to identify crop diseases early. Today, AI can analyze images of plant leaves and detect diseases much earlier. This helps farmers protect their crops, right? Let's take one more example. AI in banking. Suppose someone steals your credit card. Within minutes, thousands of dollars are spent in another country. Your bank immediately blocks the transaction. How? How it's possible? AI noticed unusual spending behavior. It detects possible fraud. Again, AI is protecting people, right? Now, another example, AI in education. Think about your own learning. Today, students use ChatGPT, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and many other AI tools, right? Using this, teachers also prepare lesson plans faster. Students also understand difficult concepts more easily. Learning becomes personalized. Every student can learn at his or her own place, right? This is because of artificial intelligence. So AI is your assistant, not your replacement. One of the biggest fears people have is, will AI take away all jobs? This is one of the most discussed questions today, and reality is more balanced. Think about a calculator. Did calculators replace mathematicians? No, they made calculations faster. Think about computers. Did computers replace teachers? No. Teachers now use computers to teach more effectively. Similarly, AI is another powerful tool. It helps people work smarter. Doctors become more efficient. Engineers design better systems. Scientists analyze data faster. Teachers create better learning material. Students learn more effectively. So please remember this sentence. AI is not here to replace humans. AI is here to assist humans. In the future, people who know how to work with AI will have a significant advantage, right? That's why here we are learning artificial intelligence. Before we end, let's remember the 5 most important points from today's lecture. First, intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, reason, solve problems, and make decisions. Second point, artificial intelligence means creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. Third point, AI learns from data. Humans learn from experience. Fourth point, AI is already present in our daily lives, from Face Unlock to Google Maps, YouTube, Netflix, Amazon, ChatGPT, and online banking. AI is working all around us. Fifth point, AI is not replacing humans. It is helping humans become more productive, more accurate, and more efficient. Before we finish, I want you to think about one question. Hundreds of years ago, people who understood electricity changed the world. Later, people who understood computers changed the world. Today, we are entering another technological revolution, artificial intelligence. So the question is not, will AI become important? Because it already is. The real question is, are you ready to learn AI and use it responsibly? Please remember, AI future नहीं है, AI present है. AI is not a future. AI is present. The earlier you learn it, the more opportunities you will have in your career. Let's summarize our lecture one more time. Today we learned the intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, solve problems, make decisions, and improve through experience. We then explored artificial intelligence, which enables machines to perform tasks that normally required human intelligence. We discovered that AI is already a part of our daily lives, from unlocking our phones and navigating with Google Maps to receiving personalized recommendations and interacting with AI assistants like ChatGPT or other AI tools. We also learned that AI improves by learning from data, while humans learn from experience. Finally, we understood that AI is not a replacement for human intelligence. Instead, it is a powerful assistant that helps us solve problems faster, improve productivity, and make better decisions. Thank you for your attention and participation. I hope today's lecture has changed the way you think about artificial intelligence, right? The next time you unlock your phone, watch a recommended video, or use Google Maps, you will recognize that AI is quietly working behind the scenes, right? Thank you. I will see you in the next lecture. Keep watching. Thank you.